Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device supports optimized battery charging and has the latest OS. This matters because the feature relies on system updates to work correctly. Once verified, plug the device in and charge it until about 20–80% at least once to let baseline behaviors form. Also make sure location and automatic time settings are on so the system can learn your daily routine. These signals help it delay the final charge to 100% until you need it. You now open settings and navigate to battery or battery health because that's where optimized charging lives. Toggling it on engages the predictive algorithm. Next, review any learned schedule prompts, accept or edit them so the system understands when you unplug. Once done, allow notifications for charging-related suggestions. This gives you control when habits shift. Keep the device connected overnight a few times so the algorithm refines its timing. Consistent data makes pauses before 100% more accurate. You finish by testing. Charge overnight and check that the device pauses at 80–90% and completes to 100% near your expected wake time because that confirms learning. If that doesn't happen, restart the device and re-enable optimized charging. This clears transient glitches. If problems persist, reset learn charging data in battery settings so the algorithm relearns from scratch. One troubleshooting tip: if behavior remains off after these steps, update the OS and repeat. Updates often fix prediction bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.